Tracy Lynn, and I want you to move your body for 15 minutes and 40 seconds to a full body fusion strength cardio core stability workout featuring functional compound movements. Moving your body in this way allows for a shorter, effective workout. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to watch that video and then that video so you can understand more about my workouts and get the full benefit. So my workouts are full body fusion, moving your upper and lower body together with compound movements, multiple muscles, and get that cardio in, get that heart pumping blood and oxygen to all those muscles, but they're customizable. It's all about moving your body. So if you want to just do the upper body movements and not do lower body, or the other way around, you decide on the intensity of the weights. Go at your level, listen to how you feel today, just make it your workout. Do the movements without any weights, especially if you're a beginner. Just learn the movements, learn the proper form, and with that said, watch that video please and practice and get those basics of proper form down so you can get an effective, safe workout. Okay, so beginners, learn the movements, proper form before adding resistance in. Add the resistance in when you feel comfortable, one step at a time. I don't include warm-ups and cool-downs in most of my workouts, but I have a warm-up video, which I suggest you definitely do a warm-up before a workout, and I have a cool-down video, and I definitely suggest you do a cool-down also. All those videos are linked down below. So this is a 15-minute, 40-second workout. We've got 8 movements, 2 groups of movements. First group, 3 times 2. Second group, 4 movements times 2. And the third group, we've just got 1 movement. We're going to do that twice, and that'll be on our bums for our abs. So I'm going to demonstrate the first move. Well, first, free weights. You'll need if you have 2 sets, it depends on what you have. Otherwise, just work with what you have. You can do 3s, 5s, 8s on the lighter side, or 3s, 5s on the lighter side for arm raise type things. 8s, 10s, 12s, medium, heavier. Again, it depends on where you are on your workout journey. And you can go heavier if you want to. So I'll be fluctuating and I'll cue you what I'm using. I'll be on for 40, off for 20. During the rest of the time, I'll explain the movement, and then you'll follow me. I'm your timer. Here's your first movement, and I'm going to start with the 10s. Okay, you are going to step it out to a lateral lunge, row it up, arm right along your ribs, come up about hip width apart, squat it down to a bicep curl, step it out opposite side, row it up, come back in, squat it, bicep curl. Okay, ready? Let's start that clock. It's a little more challenging. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna scoot my mat over. Step it out, row it, about right there, bicep curl. Step it out, row it, boop, bicep curl. Shoulder blades together. Right there with bicep curl. Row it. Keep those shoulder blades together. Chest up, abs nice and tight. Line those knees up, you're sitting back in your heels. A lot of movements here. Might take some practice. Start with the lighter weight or no weight. Whoops. Finish it out. This is a staggered deadlift with shoulder press. This is what it looks like. Slide into the knees. Down, shoulder press, step it back. Down, squeeze the glutes at the top. Shoulder press, ran out of time. Ready? Slide into the knees, shoulder blades together, come up and squeeze the glutes. Up, step it forward. Shoulder press, step it back. Shoulder blades stay together. Step it forward, shoulder blades together. Shoulder press, step it back. Shoulder blades together. Step it forward. Slide into the knees. Deadlift. Hamstrings and the glutes. Step it back. Forward. Squeeze those glutes. Okay. Next time. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna go lighter. This is just, you're gonna squat it down. Lateral or rear delt 5. Jump it up. Leave the jump out if you want to. Jump into your heels. Jump and sit into your heels. Ready? Squat it down. Rear delt. Jump. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Jump. Jump. cardio here. Keep those knees lined up with your feet. Keep the jump out if you want. Just take it out. Just do the squat. You're just coming over at your hips a little, hinging, and getting into your upper back. Finish it. Okay. Back to those hands. Alternating side lunges. Woo! Lateral raise. Squat with bicep curl. Okay, shoulder blades together. Woo! Cardio. Step it out. About hip width. Down into your heels. Row it. Sit it back into your heels. Row it up along your ribs. Up. Modify where you need to. Woo. One more after this one. Row it up. Step it in. Sit it down. Okay. Staggered deadlift. Alternating with a shoulder press. Deadlift. You're hinging at your hips, keeping your shoulder blades together. Swipe into the knees, just like this. And you're just dropping down, hinging at the hips. Keep those shoulder blades together. So you're down, deadlift, single leg deadlift. Up, shoulder press. Step it back. Other leg. Shoulder press. Go as fast or slow as you want to. Woo! A lot of core stability work here. Keep those shoulder blades together. I'm breathing pretty heavy. I'll have to edit this video with the music a little louder. Whew. Okay, we got those jump squats with the lateral rear delts. Okay, if you want to just do right here up, or you can lean over and get into the rear shoulder muscles, upper back. Okay, ready? Squat it down, up, jump. Leave the jump out if you want to. Jump. Sit back in your heels. Jump. Jump. Make sure you sit. Keep those knees lined up the whole time. If you don't have that down, then keep that jump out. And keep the weights out. Gotta have the proper form down. Two more. Two. Okay. Next move. I'm going to use eights. Oops. Just threw those down. Okay. Squat touchdown. Touch it down. Swing it up. Touch it down. Swing it up. Just like a kettlebell swing. Touch it down. Sit back in your heels. Swing it up. Touch your down shoulder blades together. Swing it up and squeeze those glutes all week. When you come out of the squat, squeeze the buns together. Back to the glutes. Whew. The weights are challenging for you. You're just hinging at your hips. Shoulder blades together. Don't round that back out ever. Line your knees up. Up. Swing it. Abs, this is cardio. More cardio in this one. It's all cardio with the multiple muscles, but getting a little more here. Squeeze those shoulder blades together in the back. Chest and the shoulders. Chest, your shoulders, upper back. Squeeze them. Line that knee up. Getting that front leg too. Okay. Coordination on this next move. Knee drive. Whew. Knee drive with tricep kick. Like that. Keep your upper arm right against your body. Just moving your forearms. Go. Like I said in my video description, but I didn't say anything in this workout. This is extra cardio with light jumping. Not all my workouts. Knee drive, drive it up. Keep those shoulder blades together and really get into that tricep. Flex those muscles. Really strengthen those tricep muscles. A lot of squats in this workout too. You're always going to do squats and lunges. Glutes. Got to keep those hips strong. So when I say squats, I mean glutes. Okay. Squat it down. You're going to punch it out with a hip abduction. Squat into your heels, punch it out. I'm just going to use the fives. Ready? Squat it. Punch it out, hip abduction. Squat it. Try not to lean over like I just did. Squat it, punch, squat it, punch. Add a jump in if you want to. There's so many ways to modify my workouts. So as heavy as you want with your weight too. It's up to you. Okay, we will repeat those. All right, got those squat touchdowns. Swing it up, squeeze those glutes, squeeze them, and swing it up. Get into the chest, shoulders. You're getting your core in all these movements. You're always working your core. Touch it down, swing it up, touch it down, touch it down. Make sure your knees stay lined up with your feet. You're getting to your upper back right along the sides. That area that we all want to work on. Big time, you're really getting into that area. One more, do one more. Up, right in here, right there. That problem area. Okay, knee drives, chest press. I'm going back to the thighs. Okay, or chest flies. I say chest press, chest flies. I'm gonna put my palms in this time. If it's more comfortable, put them down like this. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Drive that knee in. Bring them down if you need to. Still get your chest, or your shoulder muscles. Bring them up. Whatever feels comfortable for your shoulders. Really getting into the chest. Getting that stationary leg in the front. Glutes, abs, heart, of course, always. Big cardio here. Woo! Core stability. All of your core is working in all my workouts. When you're moving upper and lower body together, your core stabilizing you the whole time. Wow. Super winded. Okay. Knee drives. Triceps. Tricep kicks. We are almost done. Remember, just moving your forearms. Just keep your elbow right next to your ribs. Keep your upper arm stationary. Squeeze those triceps and kick it back. Shoulder blades together. Proper form. Watch that video. Okay. Wide squat. Woo, with the alternating punch out and hip abduction. A hip band on right now would be great too. That's an option for all my workouts. Those hip boot bands, link down below, by the way. Squat it back, punch it out. Squat, punch. Squat, punch. They're hip boot bands, and I love them, and I use them in workouts, especially my challenge workouts. They're always an option, even if I don't use them. All the equipment I use and recommend, I have linked down below. At this point, they are not affiliates. They're just the equipment. They're just equipment that I use and recommend. Not a big investment. But remember, this is your health. Have to invest a little into it. It's like a business. You gotta invest in it if you want it to go in. Okay. That's that. We got one more movement. I gotta hurry. Seated crunch, out, leg lift. Crunch, out, leg lift. Put your feet down if you need to. Okay. And that should be it, unless I mess that up. Okay, ready? Crunch, out, leg lift. If you need to lean back on your hands, support your back. Leg lift. Crunch it out. Crunch it in, I mean. And then out. Crunch in. Out. Leg lift. Out. Up. Out. Up. We've got 15 seconds. You can do it. I don't use those fancy timers. I just want you following me. That's it. Okay, somewhere I messed up. Oh, that's why, because we have to do these twice. I forgot. I was thinking we only do those once. Ooh, a little break here. All right. Okay. Go, crunch it in. Up, in, up. Still working those triceps right now. If you want to just do the crunches like this, or you can do 1, 2, if you need to put your feet down, like that. Modify where you need to, definitely. We've got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi. Okay, there's my cool down. Please do that. I recommend that. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this workout, I'd appreciate a thumbs up for my new YouTube channel. That helps me a lot. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That's really helpful to me. Hit that subscription button and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that's truly the only way you'll know every time I upload a new workout. And please comment. No one's commenting. I welcome comments. Let me know how this is going. Nice comments. And share my workouts, my channel, on our office social media. So that's it. Oh, and I have a workout log. If you want to download that, it's down below. And I also have a PDF, downloadable PDF, the reasons and benefits of moving your body with strength training. Links down below. They go to my website. You print those up. Definitely do it. So thank you. I look forward to having you in another Move Your Body workout. And have a great day or night, wherever you are. Thanks.